How to find message requests notifications settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click hub. Here is it. Now click the storylines and then settings, then click notifications and scroll down until you find this one here. Wait, where is it? This one, message requests. And that's it. Now you can turn it off or on and you can manage it and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.